Dear citizens of Hyderabad city, the meteorological department has given an alert that today and tomorrow there is going to be heavy and very heavy rainfall. I request all of you to be aware of this development, and I would suggest that only in case of important work you should come out, because there is going to be congestion on the streets as a result of water logging. These 2 days, 27th and 28th of September 2021, the Hyderabad City Police, all the wings, the traffic branch, law and order branch, and other wings, we are there to serve you. Never hesitate in calling us either on dial 100 or the local police officers who are patrolling your area. We are fully equipped. There is nothing to worry about. Rain is definitely good for agriculture, good for the society, but in urban areas, sometimes it causes congestion and discomfort. I'm sure you will bear this out with us, and I have conducted a teleconference with all the officers of Hyderabad City Police. They are there at your beck and call to serve you, to help you in whatever way you want them. Together we have to face this situation and see that minimum inconvenience is caused to common people, and particularly those who have essential works. They should be helped in the best possible way. We are there to serve you always, 24 hours.